How to disable Adobe Genuine Service pop-up. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head to our Task Manager. So simply click on the Windows icon at the bottom in your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Once this application opens, in process you simply need to search for Adobe Genuine Software. Right click on it and disable it. After that you need to open services. So you can simply go to startup menu and type service. There too simply search for Adobe Genuine Software. Right click on it, go to its property. After that in properties in startup type simply choose the option of disabled. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.